I think it's because my head is beginning to freeze, so. Okay. Sometimes health problems arise because parts of the body are not working as they should. However, sometimes problems arise not because parts aren't working properly, rather healthy parts aren't communicating as expected with other healthy parts. One example is epilepsy, which can be thought of as a condition of brain networks. Epilepsy is the most common neurological complaint, affecting around 600,000 people in the UK, and has a significant impact for those that live with it. Epilepsy is defined as a tendency to have recurrent seizures. Seizures are thought of as an electrical storm in the brain network. Now imagine the brain as a train network.
In a non-epileptic brain, every commuter gets to their destination on time. However, in an epileptic brain, connections between the stations can differ in a way that most of the time the trains are running as expected. However, it is more prone to disruptions.
Researchers can combine brain scans and network modelling to identify characteristics of these networks that make them prone to seizures. For instance, how many different stations do you have to travel through to get from where you are to where you need to be? This understanding would allow clinicians to diagnose epilepsy quicker and more accurately. Earlier treatment would mean fewer seizures and an improvement in quality of life.